2017 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver lumbar, ABS four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, front floor mats, rear defrost, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, auto-off headlights, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, MP3 player. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.